Please join us on February 17th for ARC's Smart City Forum presentation on smart city lighting and the Internet of Things. Attendees will learn about the dramatic impacts of LED technology on energy use, maintenance costs, and CO2 reduction. In particular, we'll examine real-world projects where LED lighting systems have been combined with IoT Internet of Things communications technologies in truly astounding ways. We'll discuss LED adoption challenges for cities and utilities and explore some innovative finance and public-private finance programs that are driving these projects. We're happy to be joined in this session by Kevin Fitzmaurice, who's the Principal of Lighting and Smart Services at Georgia Power Company and a lead product engineer at the Southern Company. We're also joined by Toby Morgan, who's the LED Program Manager at the Climate Group. So we are hoping to see you on February 17th. Thank you very much.